Located in Westbury, New York, Hicks Nurseries is the largest garden center on Long Island, offering the very best garden, outdoor living, and landscape products and services. From 1853 through today, 6 generations of the Hicks family have been serving Long Island, and since then our business philosophy has never changed. We are passionate about helping people make their dreams for their homes and garden a reality. We believe in selecting the very best products offered with expert advice and assistance to help you every step of the way. We make gardening easy. Throughout our history, one constant has always been innovation. We continually strive to provide our customers the best possible shopping experience. An example of this is our new permanent display gardens. Sometimes people come in and they may not know exactly what to choose or how big the plants will grow. Our display gardens let you view different types of trees and shrubs that will thrive in either sun or shade, so you can envision how they'll look in your own home. They help take the guesswork out of selecting the right plants. We have over 12 expertly designed gardens, from privacy hedges to deer-resistant and arbor gardens to an all-season garden that shows color transitions from spring through fall. Whether you're just starting out or been gardening for many years, we aim to inspire and make selecting plants an easy and enjoyable experience.
We built our Landscape Inspiration Center as a hub for any and all services our customers might need to get started. This is the place to come for help in selecting plants from our outdoor nursery, advice on how to tackle your weekend project, or setting up planting and delivery services. If you'd rather sit back and have us handle everything, no problem. We have a full-service landscape team that can turn your dreams into reality.
Our award-winning team knows the Long Island landscape and exactly what plants will be successful here. In fact, Hicks Nurseries has been creating Long Island landscapes since 1853. In the 1890s, we invented and patented the equipment for moving very large trees that were desired by Long Island's new estate owners, such as the Vanderbilt Mansion, J.P. Morgan Estate, and the Phipps Estate, now Old Westbury Gardens. When it comes to your landscape design build project, we believe in taking the time to listen to your needs and desires in order to deliver results that will surpass your expectations. Our design solutions fit your individual style and taste. From concept to installation and beyond, Hicks Landscapes makes the entire design build process seamless and stress-free. You can have confidence that we are the best choice, not only in trusting us with your home, but with the outcome of the project. Hicks Landscapes crews are professional, reliable, and trustworthy. They love what they do, and they do it with a smile. And after your project is completed, you become part of the Hicks family. We continue to provide you with support and the care you need to enjoy your beautiful landscape for years to come.
At Hicks Nurseries, we truly care about your success. We want you to have bountiful vegetable gardens and hardy blooming plants. And we're here to help address any issues you have in your garden. The spring season at any garden center can be hectic. At Hicks Nurseries, you can set up a free one-on-one appointment with one of our experts that accommodates your schedule. Just call us. We're here to help.
Ultimately, what sets us apart is our people. Hicks Nurseries is a family business in more ways than one. We are ingrained in the fabric of our community. Both our staff and our customers span multiple generations. Our customers came here as kids with their parents, and now they come with their grandkids. Many of our staff have been with the company for decades. They're professional, knowledgeable, and caring, with a true love for what they do day in and day out, and are here to help our customers succeed with their gardening projects. Visit us today and experience the Hicks difference.